It's as simple as this. Why pool when you can plungie? My name's Rabb. I own Rabb Construction. We're in Austin, Texas. Today we just dropped in 2 plungie pools. The process started about 4 weeks ago. We made a decision. We put down a deposit. We had our pool permits already with our building permit. We got a layout inspection, and then the pools and the crane showed up. To do a plungie pool, the site has to be compatible to bring in an overhead crane and setting a pool. And if your site meets that criteria, then if you can put a pool on a project like this, you're gonna sell it for more money and you're gonna sell it quicker. Now we're gonna go ahead and build this house, and then we'll hook these pools up at the end of the job. And instead of having to let a gunite guy come in sometime during the building process, and maybe he gets done before we finish the house, now we got 2 pools sitting in the hole ready to go. So the bottom line is no way, no how, you're gonna have a pool from the day you order it to the day it goes in the ground in 3 weeks.